guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection. This time guys, it's the Milipede Oriental or the Oriental Milipede. As you can see there guys, so creepy crawlies. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, be sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Toasted Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs. And down here we have a picture of the Oriental Centipede, or in Spanish, the Milipede Oriental. And here it says, learn everything about millipedes. So okay, we're gonna open this up. Okay guys, so here it gives a little bit of information about the Oriental Milipede. It gives a little description, a bit about its habitat, as well as some general observations. And here it shows a picture of the slide with all of its pieces and parts. I will show you that in just a moment. And here guys, it talks about millipedes in general. It gives their scientific classification as well as other information. And it shows you a picture of this red one here, which looks pretty cool. Oh well. Let's open this up. For me, they look a bit like giant roly-polies. There are these little beetles that I don't know where else they live, but they live in the US, typically like under logs and stuff. And they roll into a ball like this. And their bodies kind of look like these guys, but much smaller. They're like this big. But anyway, here it shows you some of the different types around the world. Which one do you guys think is the coolest? Personally, I'm tied between this one that has like little, I don't know, like leaves on the side, and this one which is like a metallic-y blue. But you guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And here it shows their main habitat. Here it talks a bit about their different legs and what they eat as well. And yeah, some of these guys are poisonous, so don't just pick them up. some are poisonous, I should say, but some are not. And then here it shows their main predators, which are birds, scorpions. We've actually unboxed many scorpions in this collection. If you're interested in seeing those guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And then reptiles and amphibians, so snakes, frogs, lizards, that sort of thing, and mammals. So I guess like rats and gerbil, like little gerbil creatures and that sort of thing, hedgehogs. And here, guys, at the end, it has the beachograms, or the little puzzles for you to solve. We also have a little quiz as well, and the answers down at the bottom. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new Oriental Millipedes. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, now it's time to check out our brand new Oriental Centipede. He looks really cool. There you can see the top. You can see all the ridges in his body. His little antenna there. And there you can see all of his many legs. That's cool. And you can kind of see his face there. Bit. Yeah, there you have his face. I'm going to show you the other side. This one is really great. I don't know. There you can see his under part, or underbelly. And you can see all the different legs a bit better. This is maybe among one of the best specimens that we've got. I really like him. It's very cool. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, of course, as I said before, make sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well guys, with that being said, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.